Hello, all of you. Welcome to the presentation. The topic of presentation is using ratios and understanding ratio language. As we can see on the slide, ratio is a mathematical relationship between two or more numbers. We can see the example on the right. There are two triangles and three circles. The ratio between the number of triangle and the number of circles is 2 ratio 3. We use two dots to show ratio. Let's move to the next slide. Here we can see there are 3 pencils and 5 pens. The aim of the slide is to represent ratio in different ways. That is, we can write 3 ratio 5 or 3 to 5, or we can also write 3 upon 5. All the three are different ways of representing ratios. The next topic is equivalent ratios. We can see on the right there are 2 stars and 6 hearts. The ratio of stars to hearts is 2 ratio 6. Okay, but just on the previous slide we have seen 2 ratio 6 is also 2 upon 6, and which can be further solved as 1 upon 3. This is equivalent to 1 star to 3 hearts. The ratio of stars to hearts is 1 ratio 3. As shown on the lower right side of the slide, there is 1 star and 3 hearts. On moving to the next slide, we can see ratios can be simplified. The terms of ratio can be divided by the same factor to create a simplified ratio, just like fractions. 12 ratio 18. If we divide 12 by 6 and also divide 18, which is the second part of the ratio, by 6, we get 2 ratio 3. So we can say that 2 ratio 3 is a simplified form of 12 ratio 18. Now it's time to learn the ratio language and how to use it. Using ratio language, there are many ways to describe the relationship between two quantities. The ratio of apples to bananas is 2 to 3. As we can see, there are 2 apples drawn and 3 bananas. The ratio of bananas to apples. ओके, अब हम देखेंगे कि bananas to apples अगर कहा जाए तो ratio will be 3 to 2. Be very careful here. For every 3 bananas there are 2 apples. इसका मतलब भी वही होगा. Also we can say for every 2 apples there are 3 bananas. This also means the same. Out of 5 pieces of fruits, 2 are apples. This also means the same thing. In total there are 5 fruit and 2 are apples. One more we can write, out of 5 pieces of fruit, 3 are bananas, which will be also great. So